Is your Toyota Corolla key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. These batteries typically last 5 to 7 years. Symptoms include unresponsive remote lock-unlock, panic button failure, and trunk release issues. The battery is a CR2032 lithium coin cell that powers all remote functions. Replacing the battery yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you potentially $50 to $150 in dealership fees. This addresses 90% of remote failure issues. First, confirm your Corolla is a 2014-2019 model, as newer models may have different battery types or charging options. Next, ensure you have a new CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery readily available. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Replacing the battery addresses 90% of remote failure issues, making it the first troubleshooting step. To replace the battery, first locate the small seam on the key fob. Gently use your screwdriver or coin to pry the fob open. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery contacts are clean using isopropyl alcohol. Work in a dry, static-free area to protect the fob's electronics. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. If the fob remains unresponsive after the battery change, it could indicate a receiver issue in the car or a faulty fob, requiring professional reprogramming.